Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover CROCOIN. Let's see what it's doing. So basically with CROCOIN, if you've been following me, you have seen in my previous videos, we had this resistance, this support, the price, when CROCOIN was born basically right over here. So it comes support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, and whenever we had this bull run, it basically broke this resistance and went towards the upside, and then it has fallen back to the previous resistance as support. Now you can see where the 20 moving average is. It's basically below the price action, and this is what you want to see. Basically, as long as the 20 moving averages is below and the price is above, the whole pattern is bullish. Okay. Now, if you go to the lower time frame, let's go to the weekly time frame, you can see things a little bit better. So in the weekly time frame, you can see, this movement of CROCOIN. It's been like that, and we broke this resistance. This was a huge move that CROCOIN did, and then we had a lot of momentum pick up towards the upside. Now, if you just take off the moving averages, take this drawing off, go to the daily time frame, you can see we had this resistance line. I mean, before that, let me quickly summarize this move. The CROCOIN went up, came down, support, went up, came down, support. It had this support level. Okay, as soon as it broke it, you can see CROCOIN fell towards the downside, broke out, retest, came down, tried to come back up, tried to break this resistance, failed to break it, then fell back down. Okay, same way over here, it was making, you can see higher, what is this? It's making lower highs formation. Okay, so whenever it makes a lower highs formation, it is a bearish indication that price is going to move towards the downside. Okay, same way right over here, it did this, did this. You can see higher lows formation being made. So whatever happened here, completely opposite that happened at this level. Okay, so now this is a bullish scenario that it's playing in. Okay, but break the it failed to break this level over here. Okay, at the moment you can see what it's doing, going up, coming down, going up, and it hit this resistance again one more time, but again it broke out from this resistance point, which is a bullish thing. Now if you go to the weekly time frame and you take a look at this pattern over here, you can just bring your Fibonacci and just measure this move right over here. You can see clearly that the price over here, it was finding it hard. And you can see this is the double bottom formation, higher lows being created all over here. Okay, so you were getting rejection from the 0.718. Once you broke the 0.718 Fibonacci level and you came out of this resistance points, you can see a big movement towards the upside happen. This is a very bullish sign in my viewpoint. But again, let me also give you, it's trying to reach the 0.618 level, which is the golden ratio for this pattern. Okay, if we do that and close a candle, a weekly candle, somewhere close to the 0.618 or above it, that is extremely bullish for CROCOIN. Okay, and the reason I say that is, if you take, let's just keep it over here. If you look at this now a little bit from this perspective, okay, you can see we are having this resistance over here, and we are having this resistance, I mean support from here. You can see a beautiful symmetrical triangle being formed. Okay, now when there is a momentum towards the downside, symmetrical triangles are considered bearish patterns. Okay, you can clearly see the symmetrical triangle being formed, but again within the symmetrical triangle, if you just take this off right now, okay, within this symmetrical triangle, CROCOIN, what it did, it was creating this, let me show you. This was the support. It was creating this bearish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you can clearly see this was the neckline, this was the bearish pattern. But what happened is right over here. This is also a resistance. So this area you want to crack it. Okay, the reason that is, whenever you have a bearish head and shoulder pattern, you have to break the left shoulder. And this is exactly where the price action is sitting. That's why you see CROCOIN is not moving as quickly as other some altcoins are doing at the moment. So you are stuck in between this level over here, where you have this bearish head and shoulder. You break this, you're moving up straight away because you are getting rejected from this resistance and this head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so you break this, you're moving towards. Let me just bring the Fibonacci one more time so you understand exactly what I'm saying. Okay, bring this. You break this, you're gonna come and hit the 0.618. If you break the 0.618 and you just have your candle above it, you have just achieved a big you have basically broken the resistance for a lot of areas. The head and shoulder, this resistance that it had, and then you will start moving slowly towards the upside. The reason it is doing that at this point is because Bitcoin is actually, this weekly close that it's gonna get, it's actually gonna, drive the way for all the other altcoins as well, because a lot of altcoins are at this, uh, you know, at this pinnacle point, I would say, where they're just waiting for Bitcoin to make its next move. If it goes above $45,000, then you will see CROCOIN automatically break this area and move towards the upside. Now it depends. If Ethereum gets more powerful over Bitcoin, then you will still see this move coming. And altcoin season might be around the corner in that viewpoint. Okay. Now let's just take this off. I want to show you something else in the RSI. Hope this brought you some information for this pattern over here. If you break this pattern, this is absolutely amazing for CROCOIN. Okay, I'll just say that one more time, and you can see we do have this cross coming anytime soon. But if you come to the RSI in the weekly time frame, RSI is looking absolutely amazing at the moment. You draw this trend line right over here, you can see how many times we have had this bounce. Okay, price came down, bounced from this support, went up, came down, bounced again. We are at this level at the moment, so we are just waiting for Bitcoin to make its move for this coming week, and the close is in about 6 hours and 19 minutes. So after that you will know what's going to happen. Let's say if it does get rejected, okay, if this does get rejected, then normally it will come and fall back to the support level at 0.39, 0.40 levels. Okay, you could also bring your Fibonacci and just place it over here. You can see right over here, you can see where the level is. It might fell back to 0.786 or at this support level. Okay, but again, if you break this resistance line, you will hit the 0.618, which sits at 0.497430, and then if you break that, you will come towards the 56 cents level. Okay, but if you break towards the downside, you will fall back again at the 0.786 level, which is at 0.41 cents. Okay, hope this video brought you some insights for CROCOIN. If you like this kind of content, just hit the like button and share my videos. Okay, your likes are telling me you want more of this content coming out for CROCOIN, and I will keep making this for you guys. And thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye, guys.